Hi everyone. So today we have to be discuss like what is the abstract class and what is the abstract method. Okay. So how does this normal class in the normal class can we define the method? No, we cannot define. We can only declare the method. So let me take this class. You can give the class name anything. So let me take this class name as a book. Okay. So what the Java rule says in the normal class you cannot declare any method. You can only define it, but you cannot declare. And if I want to declare it, what will happen? So you have to make that class as a abstract, or you can make it as a interface. Okay, so if you want to define it, then you have to be make this class as a abstract class. In this abstract class, then it is possible. In the abstract class, you can declare it. You can declare the method, but not the normal method. But not the normal method. Okay, only in the abstract method. So how you will do that? If this is my void show method. Okay, here here the normal method is not possible. It won't work. It will give the error. So how does it work? By using the abstract, right? Here by using the abstract it is possible. As I already mentioned, abstract class and the abstract method we can define like this. We have to be define the class like abstract class which contains the abstract method. Let's understand like what is the abstract method and where we have to be use. Abstract method does not have any body. So here I did not define anything, right? So it does not have any body. For that, what we have to do, where we need to be define it, means if we want to define it we have to create the child class for this class. And how we have to be create the child class, like you can mention class, give the class name as a pen, and how this is my child class, right? And how this property is parent class, this is a parent class book. And how to inherit by using the extends keyword, I can do that. Okay, so I can define it here. So I have used the void method. In void method, we can only declare it, but defining is not possible. So in the chat class, we can do that. So void show method here. In this, you can mention the nodes, whatever you want to get it print. You have to be mentioned here. Like I'll just keep it as a pen only. Right. So it would be more easy for us to understand. So in the child class, I have defined it. If any abstract class, if you want to inherit, then we have already used the our extend keyword, and we can declare whatever here we have declared. We can define it here in the abstract method. Only possible as a declare. In the child class, we can inherit the property and we can define it. Here we can define it. So define in the abstract class only we can able to declare it, so vice versa, right? So it would be more easier for you. In and how to create the object and what is the aim for that, we have to say the abstract class we can only create the in this for this abstract class we can able to create only for the reference. And how does it look like? See, if you can see book D. So this is nothing but the creating the reference. And by this, how to call my show method, what I have already defined something, right? So I want to get it. How we have to be do that by using the new keyword, then only it is possible. Okay, as we have already learned this upcasting. It says like we can make the child class through the object. Okay, so child class through the object, and how we have to be do that by using the new keyword, right? So I'm using here the upcasting concept. How you have to do book b is equal to new in the upcasting method, right? So I have to pick which one, child method. So what is that, pen. So I have to be define it, and now I want to be see what is I have defined in the show method. So use this and do the control s and try to run this one. Okay, so I have got the pen, whatever it is mentioned in my show method. I got, and by using the object I can able to see. And now what you have to do, we can also create the constructor in the parent class. Yes, we can. Here I want to create in the, and in the constructor your constructor name and class name should be same, right? And how you will do that, I have to be declare it here, book. Here you can mention anything like what I'll just reading book. I'll just mention it as a reading book. So do the controllers, and if your constructor will work, you have to be see in the abstract class we cannot define only like a normal method, but in the abstract method we can define it. And I'll create the method for this reference to that we have called, right? And now we, as this is an abstract method, in the abstract method what we will do, so we have to be create the another method like a normal method. How in the abstract class we cannot define any normal method, but in the abstract method we can define it. In the abstract class only constructor is possible, as we have done that already. In this app, this is my abstract method, right? Here I can use the normal method, right? Yes. So how I will do that, I will just mention it here, void, void read book. Okay, so I'll just mention here, and SYSO, you can reading a book or just reading. Okay, so do this control s, and as it is a which method, read book method, by the object we can call that b dot read book method. So do the control s, as we are calling this read book method what we have defined, so we have to be get that answer by using our object, right? So click on this here, run method, and we can able to see our constructor, our object, and the read book method, show method, read book method, as we got it. Now if we take the another example for the same abstract class, like which does which hope for the better understanding purpose, my class name is real time system. So I'll just make this class as a vehicle. So I just want to make this class as an abstract. As I said in the abstract class, if we are declaring the abstract method, then must and should we have to be declare it in the abstract class, right? In the abstract class. So here the data members are the attributes what I'm taking here, string. Just take this as a simple brand. Okay, now I have to be create the constructor, right? Constructor, for your understanding purpose I'm just writing, so public my class name and constructor name should be same. So vehicle, and as it is a parameterized constructor, so you have to be mentioned string. What is this? Brand, right? String brand. And after this you have to be use this dot brand is equal to brand. Now this is my parent class and I want to use the abstract method in, so this is my abstract class, and how I have to be do the abstract. So I'll just write it here, so it would be abstract method for getting the vehicle speed, for anything as which data members attributes you want to declare, so you can use that one, there is no problem in that. So here abstract double get speed method. So this is, I have declared the constructor and I have created the method. Now what I'm doing in I'm creating a, this is my parent class and I'm inheriting the properties from the parent class to the child. So I'll give the class name as a car and extending the properties by using the extends keyword. Extends the vehicle, right? So this is done. Now what I have to do, I have to be mention the speed, right? The attribute as a data member. So I have done that. Now I have to create the constructor. So how you have to be do this, public, my class name and the constructor name should be same. So car string dot, we have two attributes, right? String, first one is brand and the second one is double, right? Speed, double speed. So you have to be mentioned like this here in the, as you have already seen here in the parent class. Okay, in the parent class we have used the this keyword, and in the child class as we are extending the properties of the parent class, so we have to be always mention it in the super class. Okay, so super, what in the parent class, what is the attribute? Brand, right? So that's why we have to be use it as a super, and parent attribute is a brand, so we have to be mentioned here. And now this dot speed, what is my attribute? Speed, right? Speed is equal to this dot speed is equal to speed. So I have done this one. Now what I have to do, implement the abstract method, right? How you will implement this abstract method, by overriding the parent class properties to the child class properties. And how you have to be mentioned double get speed, right? Get speed method, which method? Here, get speed method. So mention it here, and I'm just I want to get that return speed. Okay, so I have done this one. Now I have to be create an object, right? I have to be create an object, and how I will do that, creating a car object by using the my child class car. And you can give anything object, as I'll give car only small letters, so it will be easy. And car, so you have to be pass the parameters, what parameters you will pass? here brand name and speed. So string is a brand name and double speed. So what what you will do here, give the name as a anything whichever you like the brand. So I'm just giving Kia here, and let's say 100 double, right? So double always you have to be mentioning the decimal values, right? Here I have done this. Now displaying the car speed, how you will do that? Displaying the car speed, I'll just write here system.out.println, and car speed, I want to get the car speed. So whatever the uh, things you have to be get, you have to be mentioned always in the double quote, car speed, right? So give some space. And what I am doing here, I have to be get the car dot get speed, right? I have to be get the speed method. So here after this, car dot get speed method. Yes, I got it here. Now just mention kilometers per hour, 100 kilometers per hour. So yeah, kilometers per hour in the double quotes. Okay, yes. So I have done. Now I want to be get the speed as well as the brand name. Do the Control S and click on the run. So what is my car speed? 100 kilometers per hour. So this is the way. Like vehicle is an abstract class which is nothing but parent class. Here, this is the parent class vehicle, which is nothing but the abstract class as we have declared it by using the abstract keyword with one method. Okay, abstract. What is the method? Abstract method. It is nothing but the speed, right? Abstract abstract method get speed method. Abstract depth. So this is nothing but the method. Abstract method get speed. And what is the car? This is a child class, or we can call it as a concrete class that extends the properties of the parent class and provides the implementation. What implementation it is providing? Get speed. Okay, so it is giving the, just you can call it as a implementation, means defining, we can able to define and get the implementation for the get speed method. Like you can see in the real time system, you might have the various types of vehicles. Like it is like your wish, you can just go with the cars, trucks or bikes, anything whatever you feel which is convenient to define, you can do that. Like all shares the common properties like functionalities, getting the speed. Abstract class vehicle provides the common base for such functionalities, you have to be mention it here. I hope this is clear.